God, hindi nag-record yung kanina. Oo. Yung mic hindi naka-on. Okay, so from the start. Hi guys. She's making the marshmallow for the viral Dubai chewy cookie. Even though it's not a cookie, but somehow it's a cookie.
Is it a cookie?
Yeah, the name is Dubai chewy cookie.
But it's mochi. It's mochi, but
Yeah,
it's
right.
a cookie. I don't get it. Like people be confusing
Yeah.
the
People
people.
be making stuff up.
Yeah.
And then guys, we just wanna take this moment para share
Yeah,
na,
yeah. We're going
yeah,
to plug it. We're going to
plug
plug something.
our
Yeah.
podcast.
This is the the Ehaw Bandaretu podcast by the Ehaw Bandaretu podcast by Ehaw Bandaretu. The episodes 1 and oh my god, girl. Episodes 1 and 2 are out now, so go
Yeah,
check.
go check it out, you guys.
And
Yeah,
you
actually,
might pick up
we had fun.
yeah you might pick up some wisdoms and isms there.
Yeah, you might pick up a thing or two. And also we just got done eating the parfait, strawberry, chocolate. We have cream cheese, pero it's ubos na. We fucking love cream cheese in this house.
Yes.
So any leftover, basta cheese, we're gonna fucking devour it.
Very good. Yes.
And hindi ko na ipaparinig. I was supposed to share a snippet of our podcast, pero wag na lang. So as not to spoil anyone. But it was all about our life during our early 20s. Na para bang 50 years old na tayo. Hindi naman, ano lang, achievements. First, like first travel, first concert, first bonding together. Yeah, basically, in-enjoy namin yung fruit of our labor. Hi! Shout out sa picture sa likod ko. Um, and, yun lang naman. I-follow nyo kami sa Spotify, The Ehaw Bandareto Podcast. Featuring Iso Baboy, Kiers, Gizzard, and Chibog. Hindi ko na sasabihin which is which and who is who para may mystery. And maganda yung third episode, guys. Lalo na yung last part. Maganda talaga. Ano oras kaya upload yun? Sana ma-upload na para mapakinggan ko na yung last part. Kasi yung last part is so funny. It was so funny. Ang ginagawa mo? Ay, oo pala. Okay. I'll, help her first and I'll show it to you guys. Ipaprop ko lang yung camera. This is a day in our life during my day off. As any baker.
Eater.
As a eater. What eater? Eater of what?
Everything.
Wait. Papakita ko kanila. Papakita ko sa kanila what it looks like. Here.
Before mo dito.
Guys, this is what it looks like.
Wrong
Looks like
pan.
shit.
I used the wrong pan.
Looks like shit. Yeah, she used the wrong pan. That's why it's sticking all over the place. It was supposed to be a non-stick pan there. But I used it to cook prawns.
Ilagay mo na dito. Dali.
Alam mo yun, scoop lang. Shall I just scoop it? I'm gonna use your hands. Eto na siya, guys.
Ganun.
Sayang naman.
Ayan mo na stick. Baka toasted na yun.
Mm. Ooh. So marshmallow pala, I thought it was glutinous rice. Used to make the bilo-bilo and the palitaw and the dila-dila.
Kailangan ito ibabad sa hot water.
Kailangan to ibabad sa hot water, guys. Kung hindi yun nagiget, sayang to. She's wearing gloves, vinyl gloves. Can you eat this?
Oo, try mo.
Gusto mo to? Chibog?
No.
Ano? I don't want it to. Parang ang tamis niya. Tignan. Eh.
Nahirapan na ako yung sa pan.
We're making the pala, guys. The viral Dubai chewy cookie.
Yeah.
Kahit hindi nga siya cookie, kahit tulad ng nasabi namin kanina. People be making stuff up, yo.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Tapos, alam niyo ba, in Mexico, empanadas are called empanadas.
What?
Mm-mm.
That's bizarre.
Yeah. Pero at least sounds like
Ako gusto kong matikman na Mexican
fajitas.
No, guacamole at
Guacamole, we
chicharones.
can do guacamole.
Ha?
Yeah.
We can do guacamole.
Hindi, yung chicharones, like yung legit. Gusto kong matikman.
We can do chicharrones.
Ba't kasi lagi yung wala dun sa
Tinatry namin gawin, guys, na
red,
Filipino.
green pepper.
Tinatry namin gawin na Mexican is, it was the birria.
Birria, yeah.
Birria tacos. We made birria tacos and it was awesome.
Ang galing may yung profile picture niya. May ganyan. Like what?
May effects. Pakita mo sa video para they can relate.
Hindi baka
Ay, oo nga. Na nagsastock.
Yeah, nag-stop.
But basically, guys, the PFP has effects.
Yeah, it's like it's
Shining,
animated.
shimmering. Mhm.
It's like animated.
Alam niyo yung sa MySpace? No. Friendster.
It's like
Yeah.
that.
Parang gano'n. Ito lang yung ambag ko, guys.
Meron kaya magbababa
Bitch.
ang price ng
Sarap.
Oh.
Can you get the yung feeling?
Mhm. Wait lang. Palpabot nga ng phone. Palpabot nga ng phone. My phone. Where's my phone? Get my phone. Yan. Better camera angle. Okay, this is what we're making. This is the marshmallow, guys. Kita nyo na siya. I'm not wearing gloves, but my hands are clean.
Hindi pa pwede galing ng marshmallow.
Strawberry and chocolate. Ito yung food namin kanina. Pero nag-hard na yung chocolate. Sayang.
Hindi pa pwede galing ng marshmallow.
Ulit. Mag-flat.
Mag-spread siya.
First bite for you. Hindi naman rin siya. First bite for you, guys.
Parang siyang may hair. Parang siyang Elvis Presley.
Para siyang yung Roblox, character.
Her.
Ito ang gold actually na.
Marshmallow. And then nilalagyan. Ito yung guys. Let me show you. The kataifi with pistachio. Looks good. And it's, it tastes as good as it looks. Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Pero kung gusto mo na siya, hirap. Wala na akong
Hindi mo na
paki-
mahintay.
mag-flat siya or hindi.
Wag, pakita namin sa inyo guys yung finished product later.
Like, ang messy kasi niya ito gawin.
And ang proseso niya gawin, pero hindi worth it yung 300 per piece.
Na,
Ganyan.
yung
150 pala. Ay, oo. The 300 was the parfait. Nahugas na ito.
hindi yan hugas.
Here's the
Finished product.
finished product. It's just one.
Dito na lang kayo. Dito ko na lang kayo ilagay.
Mm-mm.
Hindi pwede.
May lahat na ng katay fair.
Meron pa.
Saan?
Nasa ref. Baka may maisip pa tayong gawin eh.
Yung ano, chocolate.
Antay niya ah.
Ay, oo nga. Hindi pa nakuha yun.
Anong chocolate?
Ito lang yung ambag namin guys whenever she
Paano yun?
makes something or cooks something. Kami lang nagtitaste. We're just a taste tester.
Mm-mm.
Ang sarap ng chocolate.
Mm.
What is diet? We don't know her.
No, no. Like at all.
You know her. We don't know her. Only love can hurt. Oh, I think meron pa yung Sparrow na pizza.
Meron pa nga.
No,
Kanina
hindi.
natin
Baka nang lalanggam na siya. Who owns that?
kay Papa yan. Kain niya yan bukas.
Mm-mm. We still have pizza, guys.
Ito.
See? Yeah, this is big. This
Let
is
us
big.
check together.
This is big. Oh, try to.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
Woo! Wag na. Ay, reheat mo na. Baka matapon. Reheat na. He's gonna reheat it, guys.
Yeah.
We're
Oh,
gonna
shit.
eat. We're gonna eat again. We're always eating and eating and eating and eating.
Eating is our middle name.
Chibog eating.
One minute to. Dapat meron din ako mix.
Oo nga eh. Bibili pa ako ng mic. Pwede kayong dalawang mic. Ito lang yung nakasalpak.
Ano kaya yun? Pag dalawa?
Pwede siguro ba sa same ng ano to?
Yung
Ng brand.
Yeah, I think so. But
Try mo dun sa pinagbilan.
let's try it. Let's try to like with the concept.
Ito na siya. We're not cooking, we're reheating the pizza. I'm gonna prop my mic again, guys. Kasi ang hirap ng hawak lang siya. Mas masakit sa kamay. So we're propping it up with the spatula. Don't worry, the spatula is clean. And tell myself you don't mean nothing.
KitchenAid, sponsor us.
KitchenAid sponsor. Yeah, guys. KitchenAid. KitchenAid sponsor us. We're basically using all your no, not all. Majority of your products.
Kailangan ko nung ano guys.
Guys, ito yung way para you would know if yung marshmallow nyo is soft na when you just like bread na pinapaalsa when you push it and it goes back up. See? No, it doesn't go. Ay, yeah, it goes back. No, it just sticks in your hand.
Kasi yung iba, it's so
Yeah, hard.
hard daw.
Hindi ko may alam, girl.
If,
Show, it doesn't show.
kung pwede, kung compatible. I think it is. Ay, if you buy different, ano.
In 1 transmitter. I received it.
I-try na lang kung ibili yung ano, 1 transmitter and 2 mic.
Receiver.
Yeah, 1 transmitter and 2 mics. Oh, gusto mo yung pizza.
This is the Sbarro. It's too hot.
Yeah, Sbarro.
Sponsor us.
Sbarro sponsor us.
Sbarro sponsor. Sbarro sponsor us.
I love Sbarro so much. Sbarro, I love you so much. Like, what the hell?
Stick on top.
Yeah.
Pero yung ano.
It should be eaten hot though. It should just be eaten hot.
Yeah, pero we had bad experiences with Sbarro also. But regardless, we'll still gonna buy because we freaking love your food, but we don't love your stuff. What if put mo ng chocolate sa pizza?
Ayoko.
Ah?
Ew. Pero dati ginagawa ko yun.
What about lagyan mo ng katayfi?
No. Dati gusto ko yun.
Sleepy na.
Dati gusto ko yun pero now it's like
Ay.
because it's Sbarro eh.
Eto na lang. What are your weird food combos?
Pancit canton with mayonnaise. Pancit canton calamansi with mayonnaise.
How will you rate it?
It's a 10 out of 10.
Can you explain the taste? Go.
And yung ano na yung yung dun sa ano yung sweet potatoes. Yung kimchi nilalagyan ko ng sweet yung glaze niya, hindi yung potato. Like I want my hot and spicy. Yeah.
It's not hot and spicy. It's sweet and spicy.
Oh yeah, it's sweet and spicy. I mean, it's sweet and spicy. But I don't like the pancit canton sweet and spicy.
Yeah, me too.
What about your other weird food combos?
Hot dog and suka.
God damn.
I don't like that.
So good.
It fucking irritates me.
If it's fried, yes. Pero kung
Grilled.
it's ihaw, no.
That's why we're ihaw bandarete.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we don't freaking dip hot dogs in vinegar.
But depends on the...
Ako naman, ang weird food combo ko. Pero hindi siya weird. Alam niyo yung fries and you dip it in ice cream? It's just like that, pero it's Ruffles, the chips. Tapos lagyan nyo ng vanilla ice cream. Hits the spot. And then, mango with soy. I dip the mango in. But it's supposed to be green mango. Green mango with soy sauce na may sugar. Ano pa ba? That's it. Yun lang. Yung naisip ko. I don't get the hype yung champurado na may
Tuyo?
yo.
Same.
And yung ano, when you eat in the morning, yung tuyo, and then pour coffee. Ew. Pour coffee. Ew.
Appropriate.
Bakit ano? I wanna know your thoughts, but ayaw niyo yung sweet and spicy na ano, pancit canton niya.
Ano nga yan?
It's fucking good, yo.
I think it lacks flavor for me. Yeah.
So I put mayonnaise.
Yeah. On the calamansi version though.
It's just not for me.
Gaga, ang sarap ng ano, hot and sweet and spicy. Sweet and spicy is the orange one, right?
Mm.
Grabe, favorite ko yun.
Oh.
Yun naman ang favorite ko.
Mm.
Mas gusto ko yun compared sa calamansi na hot. Di ba there's also yung calamansi na manghang. And then yung red na spicy lang. Mas gusto ko yung ano. Mas gusto ko talaga yung sweet and spicy.
Yeah.
Pati sa yung oishi prawn crackers. The orange one. Fucking love it. Are we supposed to ano the water?
Yeah.
Favorite beverage?
Melon soda.
Favorite beverage?
Favorite Milkies.
No, and strawberry milk.
Yeah, mine is iced coffee. Homemade at the restaurant, I don't care. Basta as long as it's iced coffee.
As long as it's coffee and it has ice.
And ano, not that sweet and not that bland. Favorite snack?
Mm. Chicken nuggets.
Fries with chicken tenders.
Yeah, me too, fries. Favorite snack is fries. Favorite breakfast food?
Mm. Bacon with pancakes.
Bacon with garlic rice.
Mine is hot dog on top. Hot dog.
Garlic rice?
Me hot dog. Guys, try nyo na ba yung hot dog na may ano? Like, you fry the hot dog, slice it, put it back in the pan, put sibuyas, and put ketchup, and put salt. Try it.
Yung Nutella na ganito.
That's it for my vlog. Bye. Bye. Say bye.
Ciao! Girl, yung nasa ref. Say bye.
Bye.